We will study now about organism. It is an individual animal, plant, or single-celled life form. Now, organisms have basic needs. Example, animals need air, water, and food. Plants require air, water, nutrients, and light. Plant or animal has different structures that serve different functions in growth, survival, and reproduction. Now, example, humans have distinct structures for walking, holding, seeing, and talking. The behavior of individual organisms is influenced by internal cues, such as hunger, and external cues, such as change in the environment. Life cycle of organisms. Plants and animals have life cycles: being born, developing into adults, reproducing, and eventually dying. Life cycle are different for different organisms. Plants and animals mostly resemble their parents. Many characteristics of an organism are inherited from their parents but other characteristics result from any individual's interaction with their environment. Inherited characteristics include color of the flowers and the number of limbs of any animal. Organisms in their environment. All animals depend on plants. Some animals eat plants for food. Other animals eat that animals who eat plants. An organism's pattern of behavior is somehow related to the nature of that organism's environment. This includes the kinds and numbers of other organisms present. All organisms cause changes in the environment where they live. Humans depend on their natural and constructed environment. Humans change environments in ways that can be either beneficial or detrimental for themselves and other organisms. There are some factors in the environment that may disrupt the plant life cycle. Usually, the fruit dries up and seeds are scattered. Other fruits are picked up or eaten by humans and animals. Seeds may be scattered or carried away by wind or water. These seeds may or may not be germinated depending on the condition of the environment. The environment can also affect the life cycle of animals. Examples: horses are greatly affected by the environmental changes. Extensive farming limits the grazing areas of horses and reduces their food, therefore affecting their intake of nutrients. Water is a valuable resource for horses. The larvae of some insects, like the mosquitoes and crickets, are vulnerable to insecticides. Caterpillars feeding on crops are killed by the cycle of other insects too. Changes in the environment affect not only the plant and animal life cycles but also the human life cycle.